Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to save CapCut video in gallery. First of all, you can open the CapCut application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the. You can just simply see your projects here. You can just simply tap on the project that you want to save in your gallery. I can select this project, so now I can tap on this, and after this you can see the option export at the top right corner of the screen. After tapping on it and after completing the export, your video is saved into your gallery, and it is a way you can save CapCut video in gallery. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.